I'm on board Yacht Pavora, a lovely Moody 34 centre cockpit, heading across the English Channel at the moment from Carentan in Normandy to Hamble on the Solent. We had a great bit of sailing coming out of Carentan. There was a good sort of force 4 to 5 easterly, so good couple of hours of sailing north. And then as we cleared the coast, the winds just dropped off to absolutely nothing. The sun is setting and it's gorgeous night, but no wind at all, so there'll be a bit of motoring tonight, and due in at Hamble around about 9-10 o'clock tomorrow morning.